Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from PayPal to Skrill. So in this video I'm going to be listing a few step by step on how you can send money from your PayPal to your Skrill. Now, to transfer money from PayPal to bank, log into your PayPal account, go to wallet and transfer the fund to your link bank account. Now, one thing you have to know about PayPal is online banking mobile app. So, and before it can work to its full manifestation, it also needs to be supported by a local bank linked to it. So now, once you've done that, now transfer from that bank which is linked to your PayPal account to Skrill account. Now log into your Skrill and go to deposit and use bank transfer to add fund from your bank to your Skrill. Now check your balance, confirm the fund have appeared in your Skrill account. And another alternative process, use other third-party services like TransferWise for direct transfer, so to avoid any form of complaints or your money being put to pen and other stuff like that. So that is it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.